Welcome back. We're still breaking down this Indian. You can see where we finished up these after the last video. Now this is kind of a really crucial part. So we have this lifter block here, and down inside these lifters, and if you don't hold on to them, they're gonna rip and slip into this block here, and then that is definitely what we do not want to happen. So just come take a look. I've fixed up this side, so I want to be careful, but you can see right here and right there, those would slip right down into the block. So we have these magnets. Here's one, there's one already on, and you put it in to hold the lifters, where you take the lifter block off so that they don't fall in. So hopefully I'm not gonna mess this up. So in reverse, don't forget, super important. All right, one, there's only four. I'm just really being careful so I don't hit that magnet, because right now it's perfectly holding those lifters so they don't slip down. And, all right, wish me luck. Here we go. I gotta just wiggle it out and please work, Mr. Magnet. Woo.
Let's see, hold it up. Oh, look at that, one almost fell out, but you got it.
Ta-da! So I'll do this one not on camera because it was very nerve-wracking. So really, these aren't the strongest magnets. These, and super light, but they did the trick. So we're pretty happy with that. We're gonna keep breaking it down, but we'll keep you posted on how to do it.